Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my global markets forecast. In this analysis, we are going to look at not only gold, silver, but also indices including Nifty and Dow Jones, Nasdaq 100, Germany 40, UK 100. Each and every instrument we are going to analyze step by step, and we are going to find out the entry levels, whether to go long, whether to go short, and where we can consider this as bullish, where we can short it. So please understand, please listen why I am giving those low levels, and do watch till the end. Those who are new to the channel, I provide my daily and weekly analysis. So this analysis is valid till I come up with my next analysis for specifically US markets, specifically for Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100 just before the US cash sessions open. So do watch this analysis. This is very important. This sets the tone for the entire day. How these instruments are going to behave is very critical to understand how the various cash session across globe can be expected. So now let's start the analysis with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1788, trading below critical level at 1791. Now 1791 is a very strong support level for gold. It has broken this, now trading below 1791. So again, once it goes below today, goes beyond 1792 today, you can expect it to rise. Rather, I will say, once it goes beyond 1793, you can go long. Till the time it is below 1793, I will not recommend you to go long on gold right now. So beyond 1791, 1798 and 1801, these two levels are again becoming very important. If these two levels are broken, then definitely gold will see a sharp rally towards 1818 and 1825. So we have got our entry levels 1793. If it breaks on the upside, you can go long, you can expect it to rise. How far? 1798, 1801, the first targets, and beyond that it will rise significantly. On the flip side, on the downside, till the time it remains below 1793, you can remain short. You can expect it to head till towards 1780 levels, which is going to give another strong support for gold to drop. Now 1780, 1778, this zone is also very important. Breaking this, gold might break significantly towards 1760, 1770 first target, and 1760 second target. So a short is only means a directional short is only recommended below 1878 levels. Also those who are short at 1778 levels, also those who are short below 1792 can keep their stop loss at 1791, 1792, and can trade for a good drop. Right now appears to be bearish, but still I will recommend till 1778, 1780, don't go short on gold for the day, for the week. Below 1778 only I will recommend you to go short. So these two levels 1778, 1793 are critical for the week. Will decide after this which direction it is going to take. So these are the key levels for gold. For detailed analysis, definitely you can watch the weekly analysis. In that I have shared many insights. Definitely that will be of help to you. Now look at this. This is the weekly charts, and if you connect the dots, that is why I say it can drop till towards 1770 levels also. So probably below 1778 you can short for 1770. Then below that it is going to act bearish for the week. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's see the charts for silver. On silver right now, again 2240 is a very critical support level. Very critical support level. If 2240 is taken, definitely it might drop significantly. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, once 2260 is 2240, you can see this gap here. Once this gap is filled at 2250, you can go long, and once 2250 is taken, definitely it will rise. The next support, or rather I will say the next resistance for silver is at around 2260, a strong resistance. Beyond that it will directly rise towards 2281, and beyond that 2300 and 2312 can be seen. So a long is recommended. Once it goes past 2250, you can go long, and beyond 2250 we can definitely expect silver to rise strongly. Now also look at the charts. I have told this in my weekly analysis. Here are the bottoms here. Now if it continues to drop, 2200 to 20 levels should provide a very strong support for gold, for silver, for the week. And till the time it remains beyond 2200, 2220 levels, definitely it might rise. Look at the 4-hour charts trying to give a bullish stance now. but still this is the resistance level it has to break, and that is why I say 2250. Beyond 2250 one can remain long on silver. Definitely you can expect 2260, 2280 zone today itself. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nifty. Now Nifty is trading at 17,200. Also you can see this is all can also be the high for this channel, and if it is so, why? Because this is making consistently lower lows and lower highs, and if it breaks this zone at 17,250, definitely I will recommend you to go long at around 17,250, where you can find a little resistance at around 17,300, 350. Once 17,300, 350 is taken, definitely it will fly towards 17,500, 600 zone. So any long is good to go beyond 17,300. Definitely it will rise strongly. So 17,300, 350, this is the zone it has to break. Beyond that, definitely Nifty will fly towards 17,600 and plus levels. So take your positions accordingly. Tomorrow is going to be a big day for Nifty. Probably budget also must have an influence on the moves. Look at the 4-hour charts also here. You can see that the higher lows is clearly indicating that there is a support for Nifty for the drop, and any drop below 17,000 will only be considered as a good indicator to go short, and that is why I have repeatedly said 17,000 till the time it is above 17,000, don't go short on Nifty. Also beyond 17,300, 350 zone, definitely it will fly higher. So I am expecting it to give a breakout. Let's see what happens. This is on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts also similar formation. Now it has seen a low, it has taken a support here and trying to rise from here, but it has to break this zone at 17,250. So 17,250 to 17,100 for the day. For today, 17,250 to 17,100, don't trade in between these zone. Rather I will give 17,250 to 17,100. Definitely don't trade in between these levels. Once it breaks beyond 17,250 zone, definitely you can take a long entry. It might rise again towards 17,300, 350 zone, and beyond that definitely it will fly. And also once it breaks below 17,100, you can take a short for 17,050 and 17,000 levels. Now below 17,000 it will break strongly till the time it is between these two levels, 17,250 and 17,050. Between these 200 points you have to take a very cautious stance. Don't try to be extremely aggressive, don't try to take extreme positions, don't try to either ways, whether it is short or long, don't try to take extreme positions in between these 200 points. Any breakout beyond 17,250, good level to go long. For 17,300, 350 zone, any breakout below 17,050, good level to go short for 17,000 and 16,950. Below that it is going to break strongly towards 16,800 plus minus levels. So this is for Nifty. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100 in Germany 40. FTSE 100 trading at 7515 levels, and this is the daily chart. On the daily charts we can clearly see lower highs. On the daily charts also we can see higher lows, also taking a support at 7500 right now. So 7500 to 7560, don't trade in between these 600 points, 60 points, and below 7500, or rather I will say 7480, you can go short below 7480, where we can expect it to again come back till towards 7440, and it can in fact go till towards 7380 levels. Also breaking 7560, you can expect it to head till towards 7600 levels. So don't take a position between 7560, 7500, rather I will say 7480. These 80 points, it is trying to consolidate it in between these 80 points. Either it gives a breakout on either side. Once it gives a breakout on the either side below 7480 or above 7560, definitely you can take a position. And once it goes past 7560, you can expect it to again strike 7600, and once it goes below 7580, you can again expect it to 7480, you can again expect it to head towards 7440, 7400 and 7380 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Appears we might see little bullish move on FTSE 100, but at the same time see the 4-hour charts taking support here, and now the level at 7480 is very important. Say also the next candle will be of I will be watching cautiously, because any drop below 7500 will take it further sharp sharply down and it can correct sharply. On the upside, this level at 7560 should provide a very strong resistance. Beyond that, it will rise sharply towards 7600. So in sum, 7480 to 7560, don't try to take extreme positions in between these 80 points. Any breakout above and below definitely will be a good indication for at least 40 points of gain. On the upside, 7600 the next target, on the downside 7440 the next target, and below that it will break towards 7380, and above that 7600, definitely sky is the limit. So this is for FTSE 100. Let's have a look at Germany 40 now. Germany 40, 15,465 level. See, all the markets almost waiting for a breakout, lower highs, higher lows, clearly indicating. But at the same time, you can see Germany 40 is still very much in this bullish channel. And if you look at the support levels, 15,350 levels, any breakdown below 15,350, you can go short, and any breakout beyond this zone at 15,500, definitely you can go long at 15,500 plus levels. So once it breaks 15,500, you can take a long position. The next resistance, the nearest resistance, it will get at around 7,550. So beyond 15,500, you can take a long entry and expect it to take a resistance at around 15,550, almost 50 points. And beyond that, definitely it will fly. Beyond 15,550, definitely it will fly towards 15,700. On the downside, once it breaks 15,350 levels, it will again come back to 15,200 levels. So once it breaks this zone at 15,350, definitely I will expect it to come back till towards 15,200, and in fact can achieve the low at around 15,240 levels. So this is on the daily 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, the lows for the day is at around 15,220 levels, and if it breaks this zone at 15,350, definitely you can go short on Germany 40. It will yield you almost 150-200 points. So 15,350, once it breaks, you can go short on Germany 40 and expect it to drop till towards 15,240, 220 levels. That is the target for the day. On the upside, if it breaks this zone at 15,500, definitely that time you can go long, and you can expect it to achieve 15,550 the nearest resistance, then 15,600. So beyond 15,600, it will definitely fly towards 15,700 levels. So take your positions accordingly. A good long entry is at around 15,500 levels. Till the time it is between 15,500 and 15,350, between these 150 points, I will still recommend you to trade light. Don't try to take a positional trade in between these 150 points. It can swing either ways. But beyond 15,500, 550 zone, definitely it will fly towards 15,600 and 700 levels. Below 15,350, I will expect it to drop till towards 15,220 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US 30 and US 100. US 30 trading at 34,730 levels. Also, as I said in my weekly analysis, now this is broken out of this channel and possibly giving us a bullish stance right now. So till the time today it remains above 34,600. The next resistance is at around 34,750, 800 zone. Once it breaks out beyond this zone, so a long, I will recommend you to take a long entry on US 30 beyond 34,800. Definitely it will fly high. Below 34,600, we might see a good drop. So take your positions accordingly. A good level to go long or short is between is above either 34,800 or either below 34,600, and it can break either ways. Now look at the 4-hour chart. I am expecting it to give a bullish breakout though. Now look at this 4-hour chart. 4-hour charts, it is getting now. Also look at this. See, this candles are very important, and you can see this time it is trying to break out this zone at 34,800. Once 34,800 is taken, definitely it will fly high. It can cross 35,000 plus levels. The target beyond 34,800 is 35,200 level. It will directly land to 35,200. So once it breaks 34,800, one can remain long for the week. We can expect it to rise till towards 35,200 levels. On the downside, once 34,600 is taken, it will try to give equal length of candle and can drop till towards 34,400 levels. So 34,600 level to go short, below which you can expect it to drop till towards, it can drop till towards 34,200 400, 34,350, 34,300, and if it breaks this zone at 34,300 this time, this is going to be a sharper drop. Also on the upside, once it breaks 34,800 plus levels, definitely it is going to be a sharper rise towards 35,000 and 35,100 and 200 levels, and beyond that also it can fly. So take your positions accordingly. We have seen the 4-hour charts, we have seen the daily charts, and on the both charts, as I said, any breakout beyond 34,800 will be a very good level to go long on Germany US 30. You can expect it to rise till towards 35,000 and 35,200 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 on the daily charts, I have told several times in my weekly analysis also that we have seen enough of consolidation. On the downside, it is getting a strong support at 13,800. Now it appears that Nasdaq 100 is ready to fly. Any breakout beyond 14,500 will be a good indication that it is going to rise till 14,600. Once it breaks 14,600, sky is the limit. It will directly try to hit 14,800, 15,000 levels. We can expect a good rise beyond 14,500 levels and 14,600 levels. This zone at 14,500, 14,600 may provide a little resistance for it for any upside movement. Any breakout beyond this zone, definitely it will try to trade higher. It will try to hit 14,800, and in fact 15,000 levels can be achieved. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it is trying to trade sideways, getting resistance at this zone. Also, see, it is trading in this box 14,000 to 14,600, and any breakout beyond this zone definitely will be a good indication that it is trying to take a direction. So right now it appears it might take a bullish stance, but till the time it remains beyond 14,350, once it breaks 14,350, you can go short on Nasdaq 100. You can again expect it to drop till towards 14,200, and any breakout beyond 14,500, the next target is 14,600, and beyond that definitely it will fly towards 14,800 and 15,000 levels. The precise levels are already provided in my weekly analysis, but yes, I am giving you rough levels where you can try to aim at these levels, where you can expect that beyond 14,500 it is going to hit 14,600. Beyond 600 it will definitely fly towards 14,800 and 15,000 levels, and in fact plus levels can also be seen if it takes a more bullish stance. On the downside, once it breaks 14,350, you can go short. You can expect it to drop till towards 14,200 levels. A stance is bullish. We might see a rise on Nasdaq 100. That is what we can see here. Let's have a look at the daily charts. 4-hour charts, we have seen daily charts. You can see that yes, it is taking a support at 14,350, and beyond that it might rise strongly. My target is towards 14,600 and 800 zone. Probably we might see these levels. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries, and first invest in learning and then start trading. So my next learning batch is starting on 15th of February. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Join the Telegram channel. There also you will get the details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.